How to recover a suspended and disabled Instagram account. Hi guys, so in this video, I will teach you how to recover a suspended and disabled Instagram account. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, we just need to head over to our Chrome browser or any browser that you have and search for my Instagram account was deactivated. So once you search for that, you can see this first link right here. So let's click on that. So just click on this I understand and wish continue. So after that, you'll see here that you need to provide your name. So for example, let's provide our name and our email address right here, and then our contact at issue. So let's add in our username right here. So my username is, let's get our username first. So my username is this, references00. So let's add it right there. Then after that, let's explain. Let's say something like, I think you have disabled my account as a mistake. Please fix this. And then after that, you can send in some attachment that will prove your point. And then just click on this check mark right here. And you can also add in an electronic signature from in here. So for example, in here, let's add in my name first. Then after that, you can click on send right here. And it should take about 3 to 5 days for Instagram to reach out to you. After they reach out to you, they will provide you a link that you need to fill out to have your account back. It will ask for your email address and also your phone number, and they will send a verification there. Then after you verified your identity, then you will be able to access your account again. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to recover a suspended and disabled Instagram account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.